If there's something I really love, it's a good steak sandwich.
Then today we're gonna show you how to make the Italian version
With caramelised balsamic onion.
and smoked scamorza.
When it comes to the steak, we're using a beautiful thick cut sirloin with a nice amount of marbling. We're going to season it with salt and that's it.
With this amount of fat, you don't need any extra oil.
It's on with the heat and then we're going to render that fat. We lay it down and caramelise it on both sides.
And it smells amazing already. For extra flavor, we're gonna add butter, thyme and garlic.
And baste the steak in the foaming butter. Now we take it off the heat and let it rest.
In the same pan with all the flavor from the steak, we're gonna go in with the onions. Add a touch of salt. You can see that's collecting all those beautiful flavor already.
And it smells so good.
Add few tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, a touch of water. Now cover and cook them until nice, soft and caramelized.
And toast the ciabatta in the oven until nice and warm.
Cut the scamorza in thick slices so it will melt beautifully.
Our steak is rested, now we cut it into slices. Look at that beautiful steak. And don't waste that flavour, pour over all of the resting juices.
Place the scamorza in the pan and slowly cook it until nice and melted. And that's what I'm talking about. To build a sandwich, go in with the rocket,
The sliced steak,
the caramelized onion, the smoked scamorza.
on with the lid and slice it in half. This is how to make a proper steak sandwich.
Enjoy everyone.